skill development, not much, especially in Northeast and rest of the rural areas. I see that there is no particular machinery in skill development. So when you want to integrate various departments, what they are doing, and take them to the youth who want to get trained in something, there is no one link. So this under of course Skill Ministry, this initiative of MGNF has proved to be very good in creating that linkage between various line departments and then the district administration. In fact, we are making a district level skill development plan. So that helps to have a vision. So now with this model in place, we are slowly integrating and identifying youth who want to get skilled, and we are identifying the departments who are in need of such a skilled workforce, and then we are combining them, making a plan. If it goes on for the next 2-3 years, I am sure we will be able to create some good skilled workforce and a good plan for the district, and that can then afterwards self-sustain itself. So this is something, the importance of MGNF and the role which is being played is very crucial.
I have the privilege of working with Mr. Prithviraj Brahma, one of the MGNF Fellows for Sankalp program, which is done by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. It is a great opportunity for the district to have the services of an young fellow who has the conceptual clarity, who is trained in the concepts by a premier institute, and he has helped us design some programs, and I think this program is mutually beneficial for the fellows as well as the administration, because they come with conceptual understanding of the problems being faced, and the district provides them the contextual familiarity. Their learnings can be contextualized to the actual working of the rural India. So far the experience has been very fruitful, and his inputs are very helpful for us to design programs, skill development programs for the youth of the district. I hope this continues and the fellows will play a key role in skilling the nation.
MGNF provides you an opportunity to engage with programs and projects which are operational at district level. Being a part of this scholarship, one can get exposure to the various departments, diverse communities which are working at block and Gram Panchayat level. A fellow faces various challenges in implementing machinery at the ground root level, which requires patience, empathy and localized approach, but at the same time in the process learns a lot about the basics of the economic ecosystem, marketing and growth opportunities. This scholarship makes a fellow understand the dynamics of the system and what needs to be done, what should be done, what can be done, and hence filling in the gaps. We look forward to working with more such fellows in the district administration who can contribute to the economic development of the district.
जनपद उन्नाव में जो हमारे फेलो हैं, इनके द्वारा इस कार्य में बड़ी ही लगन और रुचि के साथ सभी जो कंसर्निंग हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के ऑफिसर्स हैं उनके साथ मिल करके इस पर अपना काम कर रहे हैं, और मुझे पूरा आशा विश्वास है कि इस खेलों के निर्देशन में हमारे यहाँ जो स्किल गैपिंग का प्रतिशत है निश्चित तौर पर वो बहुत कम होगा और इससे जनपद को बहुत बड़ा फायदा होगा। धन्यवाद।
With the induction of MGNF fellow in Raichur district, we have more opportunities working with him. He is an young and energetic fellow with bringing a lot of innovative ideas. His innovative ideas and our experience, this blending really may transform the district.